Good evening. This is Jeremy Dabrowski again with BerksWinterCast, trying out these videos again. This is the second chance. Seem to get some good feedback today from it. Jumping right into things here, I'm going to pull up the radar for the last several hours so we can see our system. At first glance it looks like it's come much further north than expected, but a lot of that stuff north of Norfolk isn't even hitting the ground really. Some of the stuff out near the Delmarva is. Can't rule out any snow showers. It looks like some darker bands right along the Delaware River there in northern New Jersey. So maybe a stray snow shower actually makes it through up there. It's hard to tell. Looking at a different radar here, this one gives a little more accurate representation of where the snow is actually falling. Southeast Virginia, North Carolina, and a little bit out to the Delmarva, which was basically the thoughts that we were talking about yesterday. Very little impact up here, if any at all, and actually really shouldn't be any. The result of the storm then, and just looking at the newest computer models coming in, this is the latest NAM, and pretty much out to sea we see here a little bit of precipitation up into possibly up into central Delaware, and that's about it. And that's fully what we expected anyways. So what this all means is it's a southern storm, 1 to 3 to 6 inch amounts in the areas highlighted below there. Rain to snow in other areas. There's actually been surprising amounts, 2 to 5 inches down to Alabama. That actually overplayed what I had suggested or what I thought last night. So storms are overperformed. Of course not in our neck of the woods, but that's pretty much it for the non-storm. The big thing is the cold that's coming for us. Here is the latest GFS. Looking at the numbers, the raw numbers this would be for Monday morning, and it is downright brutal. Basically, everything is in dark blue there, so it's pretty hard to see. I don't know how well you can read the lines, but basically this line is cutting right through southeastern Pennsylvania here. That is the 10-degree line at 2 meters, and that's in Fahrenheit. That's not Celsius. I mean, that's pretty darn cold. And with winds also gusting during that time frame, I've been saying it for days, and I would continue to say it is going to be nasty on Monday morning. That much is certain. So, taking that out of the equation, next week again looks cold. Chance of a storm? We'll talk a little bit about that. First, let's shoot over to the long term. I know I brought up the euro yesterday, 12Z euro again today, showing something a little bit later now. Actually, it's the Monday through Tuesday period here, and I do apologize for the speed of the loop. But basically what you got is a storm that forms into out of the southeast and then slides off the North Carolina coast and then up towards Cape Cod, delivering quite a healthy shot of snow, really, anywhere from central Virginia northward, and especially southeastern New England getting nailed there with 1 to 2 feet of snow taken verbatim. This is a much stronger solution than it was originally showing. This has been on the model now for a little bit, so we do have to keep an eye on that, I believe, at least to see what happens with the run consistency in regards to the euro. The GFS, for its part, does have a big storm, same time frame. Looks like again the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday period. Again, southeast bias here. Look out for that. Coming out of the southeast, going out to sea. So, we'll have to keep an eye on the NAO, see if that thing will start coming positive in that time frame. If that's the case, then we have something to look at. Switching over to the Digex model, this is actually showing something for Saturday of next week. The frames before it were more of an inland cutter with a secondary forming, cold air obviously in place, creating ice and snow issues, once north of DC and into our area as well. It's the Digex, so take it with a grain of salt, but it's something to look for. The GFS and the euro and the Digex all saying something about a storm next weekend or just thereabouts. It's time to start paying attention. Anything in between should be light, cold and dry, very cold and very dry next couple days. And that's pretty much it. And we'll try to do these videos at least once a day. We'll see how it goes. If you need any information, just hit me up with the email, and hope you're having a good day.